Hello, everyone! As the fall season approaches, there's no better time to refresh your bedroom and turn it into a cozy retreat. The crisp air and warm autumn hues create the perfect ambiance for a bedroom makeover that brings comfort and style into your personal sanctuary. A cozy bedroom makeover doesn't necessarily mean a full renovation, but rather thoughtful updates that make your space more inviting and functional for the colder months. From shopping for decor items to rearranging furniture and incorporating fall-themed touches, transforming your bedroom for fall is a rewarding project. 1. Declutter and organize. Before diving into the fun part of decorating, it's essential to start with a clean slate. Fall is a great time to declutter and organize your bedroom, removing items that don't serve a purpose or add to the aesthetic. Go through your wardrobe and pack away summer clothes to make space for cozy fall sweaters and blankets. Organize your nightstands and drawers, and remove any unnecessary clutter to create a clean, serene environment. Once your space is decluttered, you'll be able to focus on adding cozy fall touches without feeling overwhelmed by excess items. Minimalism is key to making your bedroom feel more spacious and inviting. 2. Choose a fall color palette. The fall season is known for its rich and warm colors that evoke feelings of comfort and relaxation. When giving your bedroom a fall makeover, consider incorporating a fall-inspired color palette into your decor. Shades of deep red, burnt orange, mustard yellow, and earthy browns are perfect for bringing warmth into your bedroom. You can introduce these colors through throw pillows, blankets, rugs, and curtains. For example, a burnt orange throw blanket draped over your bed or an earthy brown area rug can immediately make the space feel cozier. Pair these warm tones with neutral colors like beige, cream, or light gray to balance the look and keep your bedroom feeling fresh and serene. 3. Cozy bedding for the cooler months. Bedding is the most important aspect of a cozy bedroom, and as the weather cools down, it's time to swap out your lightweight summer bedding for something warmer and more comfortable. Consider layering your bed with soft, textured materials like flannel sheets, quilted blankets, and knit throws. For a fall-inspired look, choose bedding in autumnal shades such as rust, mustard, or deep burgundy. If you prefer a more neutral color scheme, opt for white or beige bedding with a cozy quilt or plaid blanket for a subtle fall touch. Layering different fabrics and textures adds depth and warmth to your bedroom, making it the ultimate cozy retreat. 4. Update your throw pillows. Throw pillows are an easy and affordable way to refresh your bedroom decor for fall. Swap out your summer pillows for plush, textured cushions in fall colors and fabrics. Velvet, knit, and faux fur pillows in shades of gold, burgundy, and forest green can instantly give your bed a cozy, seasonal look. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. For example, a plaid pillow paired with a velvet cushion can create a rustic yet sophisticated fall vibe. Arrange the pillows on your bed or reading nook to add extra comfort and style to your space. 5. Add a cozy rug. A soft, warm rug is a must-have for a cozy bedroom makeover. As the temperatures drop, stepping onto a plush rug in the morning can make a world of difference in how comfortable you feel in your bedroom. Look for a rug that complements your fall color scheme and adds texture to the room. Consider a shaggy or faux fur rug for extra warmth and softness. Or go for a more traditional fall look with a patterned rug in deep, earthy tones. A well-placed rug not only adds comfort, but also ties the entire room together, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. 6. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside is a great way to enhance your bedroom's fall decor. Natural elements like wood, greenery, and seasonal flowers can add a refreshing organic feel to the space. Wooden furniture, such as a rustic headboard or nightstand, can introduce warmth and texture, while a vase filled with dried eucalyptus or fall foliage can create a beautiful seasonal centerpiece. You can also add natural elements through decor accessories like woven baskets, jute rugs, and wooden picture frames. These materials give your bedroom an earthy, grounded feel that aligns perfectly with the fall season. 7. Soft lighting for a warm ambiance. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of any room, especially when you're aiming for a cozy, fall-inspired space. Soft, warm lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Swap out harsh, bright bulbs for warmer tones and consider adding string lights or candles for extra ambiance. Table lamps with soft fabric shades can also help diffuse light, creating a more intimate and comfortable setting. Place a few battery-operated candles or LED lanterns on your nightstand or windowsill to give your bedroom a warm glow without the fire hazard. 8. Bring in fall scents. A cozy bedroom makeover isn't complete without incorporating some fall scents into your space. Scented candles, essential oils, or diffusers with fall-inspired fragrances can instantly create a welcoming and seasonal atmosphere. Opt for scents like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, apple cider, or sandalwood to evoke the warmth and comfort of autumn. Place a few scented candles on your nightstand, dresser, or windowsill to fill your bedroom with the soothing aromas of fall. Just be sure to keep an eye on any open flames if you're using traditional candles. 9. Decorate with seasonal accents. Seasonal decor is the perfect finishing touch for a cozy fall bedroom makeover. Incorporate fall-themed accents like pumpkins, acorns, and pine cones into your decor. These small touches can go a long way in creating a festive, autumnal feel without going overboard. For example, place a few mini pumpkins on your dresser or nightstand, or fill a glass jar with pine cones for a simple yet stylish fall display. You can also swap out your artwork or wall decor for fall-themed prints or photographs that capture the beauty of the season. 10. Create a reading nook if you have extra space in your bedroom. Consider creating a cozy reading nook where you can curl up with a good book on chilly fall nights. All you need is a comfortable chair or bench, a soft throw blanket, and a few pillows to make the perfect spot for relaxing. Position your reading nook near a window to take advantage of natural light during the day, and add a floor lamp or table lamp for cozy evening reading. A small side table or bookshelf can complete the look, providing a functional yet stylish space to unwind. 11. Shop for cozy decor. Part of the fun of a bedroom makeover is shopping for new decor items that will bring your vision to life. When shopping for fall decor, focus on pieces that add warmth, comfort, and texture to your space. Look for throw blankets, pillows, rugs, and curtains in fall colors and cozy fabrics. You can also browse for seasonal accessories like fall-scented candles, mini pumpkins, and faux fall foliage to enhance your decor. Keep an eye out for sales and deals at home decor stores, as fall is often a great time to find discounts on bedding, rugs, and seasonal decor. Conclusion: a cozy bedroom makeover for fall is all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and reflective of the season's beauty. By incorporating soft textures, warm colors, and seasonal accents, you can transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat perfect for the cooler months. Whether you're swapping out your bedding, adding a few throw pillows, or creating a reading nook, these small changes can make a big difference in how your bedroom feels. Take the time to shop for decor that fits your personal style and embrace the process of making your bedroom a cozy haven for fall. With a few thoughtful updates, your bedroom can become the perfect place to relax and unwind throughout the autumn season. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas.